Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CODX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, overall, a very nice recovery. I mean, after Friday, things were looking pretty shaky. There was that big downwards move, and sure, the price did go sideways, but it was still a very real question going into today of, is this thing going to come down here and then just break on down through that level of support and continue on down? And no, price, it's not like the price necessarily exploded today like it's done in the past, but at least the price worked its way upwards as opposed to, like I said, going down and then breaking through that level of support, which brings into not necessarily the first update, but more of a reminder, especially if you're those of you that watched the previous videos, but right around $11 remains that key area of support. The good news is that after today, the price certainly made and created some kind of breathing room for the price, whereas it's not like the price is anywhere, close to potentially breaking down through that level. So $11 remains that overall level of support. Ideally speaking, going forward, when you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best from the charting perspective? If the price can now begin to hold up above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, that would be best case scenario, keyword being moving. So yes, right now it's valued at 1326, but as the week plays out, that line will move itself higher and higher. And as long as the price stays above there, like I said, best case scenario, that is what you would want to see. But again, if the price were to fall below that purple line, not the end of the world, because the price does still have plenty of wiggle room up above the $11 mark. But yeah, certainly going forward, ideal level that you want to see hold is going to be that 50-period moving average, but not the end of the world because you still do have the $11 mark. Now, in the event the price continues on up, where are some of these next key levels of resistance at? So let's get this into place, red for resistance. And next key overarching level of resistance to watch headed into, not necessarily Tuesday, but the entire week as it plays out. But right here around $19.25. So $19.25, that initial level. And then after that, you don't really have anything until those highs just up around the $22 mark. So all in all, though, good solid day. Nice start to the week. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.